MT-201 is a modular railing system with top-mounted posts. It stands out for its ease of installation, minimalist aesthetics, and reliability on all types of surfaces. Additionally, the installation can be done with basic tools. To start its installation, place the post on the ground and secure it with 2 anchors. Start the process with the initial and final post and use a laser or string for alignment before making the anchors. The Slot 180 device allows for correcting small deviations in the anchoring. Then use the level 3D to ensure the post is perfectly vertical. This device allows the post to remain completely vertical, even when the slab has a slope of 5%. Once adjusted, you should tighten the anchors. The system includes horizontal control. This device allows the glass to be horizontal, correcting unevenness of up to 20 mm in consecutive posts. The adjustment is achieved by trimming on the marked piece the height difference, X, between the laser line and the top of the post. In the case of terminal posts, use the side plate that is installed instead of the horizontal control. Finally, place the cover to hide the anchors and the leveling system for a clean and aesthetic finish. The next step is the installation of the glass in the system. To ensure the glass is completely fixed to the post, use the rubber included in the kit. Only 1 kit is needed per glass, making the installation faster and easier. Finally, cover the top of the post with the cap, using glue to ensure it is properly secured. Scan the QR code or visit our website for more information about the system.